Today I will share how to use this image and convert it into a realistic plastic wrap portrait effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So for this I will go to social media, and in here I will choose Instagram post, and for this effect I am using two images which I have downloaded from pixels.com, and this is the first image which I will be using. So as you can see, you can freely download from here, and this is the second image of plastic. Okay, so now I will come to Canva here, and I have already uploaded these two images. So first I will bring this image in the canvas. Okay, and after that click on edit. Okay, go to adjust, and I will increase slightly the brightness. Okay, slightly the highlights. Okay, and slightly increase the whites. Let's work on the background part. So for the background I will click on here. So as you can see, the background is selected, and now I will just decrease the brightness. Okay, and after that scroll down to find shadows, decrease the shadows. Okay, and slightly increase the blacks, so like this. And after that just click the cross button here. Now you might be thinking that if I use this plastic here and cover it and just decrease the transparency, the work will be done, but that is not the case, because it totally decreases the brightness as well as decrease the saturation of the image. So this is not the process which needs to be followed. So I will just make it smaller. Okay, and I will just increase the transparency to 100%. Okay, and after that I will just bring it here and scroll down to apps here, and make sure you click on the search bar, and after that right here blend. Okay, and click on blend image. So after opening this app, make sure you change the blend mode to lighten. So this is the main requirement for this effect, to change the blend mode to lighten. After that click on this bottom layer and select this image, click on use selected image, and for the top layer use this plastic layer. Okay, click on use selected image. Okay, as you can see it is done, but as you can see it is covering the eye part, so I don't want that. So for that I will click, just scroll down, I will find this adjust top layer button, and I will just click on this drop down, and as you can see the top placement is filled, so that is okay. Just increase the scale of this image to 1.5 and work on this horizontal offset. Okay, like this. So as you can see, if I keep it like this, it is not touching the eyes part. Okay, but the effect is also there. So if you want also, you can work on this vertical offset also, but I think it is not required, it is working fine. So let's keep it right here. Okay, and now after that just click on add page and click on add to design, and after that make it to the same size as the canvas, and your effect is ready. And this is how you can make the realistic plastic wrap effect in Canva with this process. And hope you love this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.